Hello. So now we will discuss indefinite integration exercise 1 from the phase 6 question number 1. Integration of sec x upon tan x. So first you have to think about this type of question comes how to solve. Then you have to use one trigonometric identity that sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So we will multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by sec x minus tan x. So this is integration of sec x upon sec x plus tan x multiply and divide by sec x minus tan x upon sec x minus tan x. So this will be multiply sec into sec square x minus sec x tan x. And what is here? Sec square x minus tan square x. Sec square x minus tan square x. So this is sec square x minus, this is 1. So I will split this. Sec square x dx will be everywhere minus sec x tan x into dx. Sec square x minus tan x square x is 1. Now this is elementary. We know that integration of sec square x is tan x minus integration of this is sec x and plus constant of integration c. This will answer of that. Thank you.